paying so said also for over at our can papa say a month
building a strong family, a month of building a strong family,
a month of building a strong family. The Nyamia say last no me cry and I'm in Dimrika meko. I hear rather pet na I read say obasan dimia behind na. Na me bomb pie say Iradian Kasankasa family mu na on chire near opese family no ehu na dumunti na the families ni be together this year enye easy cra say we keep family up to this time edu baby na edin so Irade aka ye ho a no opese o chire bia no Irade ankasa enchire amen na me ka busum yasem eme de say me senya ho akonya bae because I say ye near last no the resolution no yan sheda anchire mu ye nti so for we there me pa cho na mabono tofa kakra because ebinu sheda antiase say o church ade na say esi hafa na che say
wa jo mo simfimfini baby
no de mo simfimfini nti de ye nyina ahab ne nkrofo nya de ye de bedru say emra Jacob all come back no all come back no na just say we live obi dream obi enkata so na
obi die so na odi anante
die so obi shira and odi na ma nti no for 20 years or suffering no ko betimi ewu enso na Irade adomo no so na Irade bo hye so nti de all come nyina no na Irade ankasa e protect no one way or the other. Inti se sia no se yetiase a ye wo bohye bi da ya brabo so obia wa assignment de ntia Irade ma yetiase se sia ne se o ma ye time na ye fantutu mi kan bra ne nchen e wo se ye gidifo ye Christopher enso ebia na ya brabo ne bibia eda ye so no enye ya inti no until say Jacob etimi emra afemu ye din na obofo ne tintam yetintam bisa ne say afa bi omuso din di say
the frost say
until otimi can say afra me Jacob for the first time in 20 years
I go say Esau ba na odono
yeah no afa bi who say na ho de ntimi amoa no na ho de ntimi amoa oba kra no pe no oyeya wo hwe sa na brabo ne na oba no pe no na just say ntimi enjoy sa oba ne da on obano aboni sem ha na adwuma mani diare ho die owo ye okowo ne second one no
crowd family
eno family nti when hu Joseph nchira no kra ni nyina ebia na ne mai course wo Jacob abrabom so fa obi de to no so wo fa obi din to so a odi pakro no before now obedru baby odu no ni mo ba fa wo betimi afem wotimi o wo be ka say you can admire somebody any first obi be ka say o
betimi apro bi asem when you betimi adi obi ho
oh betimi fra ka say ma me first me
yes wo
me first bisuan no de asem bi ani o me first betira ho na se na wo church me ya na me ahoho abebre but obi ti ni ba bi o mo san o mo ntan kan kire wo si weni mu but obe pese obe ye wo and so pese obe ti say wo obe pese baby a wo ti no obe yi we free ho
no obetena ho
no betena ho and don't have problem because problems are and I say a kwa e was say konwa no so you don't have an idea
yes
dear your friend is saying dear you say dear okrama hu your poor ye no
ejina bo hu
na we bude ni chie na
we bude ni chie dwe
because all you see say nipa na sorry or now or call go to the car or yes we say but the challenge is say we overcome and say what na say konwa udi ebia wo untimi njira no nti ene nyina ye mbo ye din akasa nkire Irade ya bo ye din akasa nkire Irade we no se fiti ene afide wo hira na wo dada no wa dia ma wo se ende ye mfra Jacob biom ye be fra Israel ododo na kire se Abraham na Irade fra no dada no sa bo no share ne se odo no be ye wiase nyina agya no edodo agya no it was coming to do Jacob so a say Jacob to aso wo so wa kofa obi de e de ato wo so ena wonam na wo bre nti ni hira ni nyina no na odi obresa nti enne yen boy yankasa ye din yen boy yankasa bisa ho say adan na ye bore me. Why was I born? What is my assignment? What is my vision? And now what is my mission? My mission. Miso so be dia o kan say me be ye na any saying. Obi dia oba be ye no say sabi obeye mate. Obeye mate or the be sini dan. Obeye mate or the be woni man nyina. And one say so call with DVD. But dia him bisa ho say why am I here? I didn't see na me wa ha. Erade kire me didn't see me wa ha. Nti say yesua we nyina wie na say ne ye bo ye din say ne de frame cho pop erade me mobo. All along abrabo na me bo nyina na enye nua. Ya tete we Christopher fie, o mama atete o papa atete fitu nkola brem, unyi ye wakofa abrabo bi de ato ho so. Ache say odi tete obi a o wiase ma. Enne tutu na ko wachi na san ko babia family tisa sa family na ye ba be shase no enye be bi opese awo ana ye wo be de rade pe nti rade wo butaye ma nti o ma sa asumesi we nya asumesi we ba together ebe wo so there is a mission for your life. There is a mission for your life. Nti that's the question you have to ask yourself now. I feel say me ka say ube resolution now. Resolution menya we biom sometimes I na adding into the make us so be amfa botaye bin sin ani so set a goal say I feel we and now 10 years to come no say na me pese me hu na fe we bubu ma diaba 1 year no one send diaba 1 month no one send diaba 1 day. So you set goals for yourself or you set targets for yourself. Say me say spiritually, physically, socially and all no. Yes set goal my into be bisa ho say adam 4 year me de me ho abo mu ni de ye so na me ni define me ana defining who I am, defining the purpose of God for my life and son and man no dey see a journey nyina to nchen na fe yetena se na ye hwe me nam fufa mu me different. My sorry call may different and I make us say me nyame sumu. Because I sorry call mu crowd there na wa limit no. But me nyame sumu may different. And I'm a soft ye mu may different. Until nyina be wie nyame sum. Ni nyina be wie me nyame sum. Wo nyame sum na wo kohye dem a ka wo nyame nko a obi ni wa wo nyame nko a no. Oh yeah, the same. Nipa de ese obi ese yes woe unto you if all men love you. Obia so na so obia do wa uye koshini because udu ha uye we udu ha uye so the Paul kan no Paul can say I become everything unto everybody. Okay. That's why I say I've learned to abound and to abase and we are different. But then say be Christopher mo be Christo ni say me call we are for who normally I know person use that no me call akromfo ntema me akromfo me call sabi we fontema me we num ni say until you are everything unto everybody until you are osatofo san and crime because you are
osatofo
because udu ha na say you condemn NDC a we condemn bia udu ha na condemn MPP a no condemn bia udu ha na condemn osofo a no condemn just person bia to owiasima just say wo de wo nya boni o bi mo ho mutisa onya boni o uhu na dwinda oba nchen a de wo mpe no ompe okosofo nchen de osofo mpe no ompe nti to all men no oye papa bible no say oye koshini oye hypocrite. Tell yourself who you are.
Nyachum. Hey.
Destroy.
Hey. Degrade.
Yes, it's about destroy. You know, yeah, boy, you were not tougher from last week, you know. Yes, set goals, and my say. Who am I? Then I'm person me. Send I'm person me home. Me jume mono. Send I'm person me drew. Me person be me exams this year. Na me nya promotion kakra. And now send person. So you set specific goals for yourself. And no emra we deny huno. We deny obi sure na we dey ato ho so no. No ka say radio afi de mamba we ni family de ope. Afi no we dey friend say nyansa ni nim de ato ho na wa fa pen ni paper na wa chro say call phone no so na ko hwe messages send nkrofo e wo so. Sa nipa we me ni sign ye amoa me. Nipa bi wo ho a before be hira no na ko ye nipa papa. before be share no nanka we ye free when you ho bia when je we be share ne pe odinya asay we yamau wase we yamau it's a fed we lose joy
ke kan comfort bubu
just what you when you free wonsem and before now you're innocent no now we are so happy oh hello now call Ben says our cast of once a match what can do for once a match Utina sina hwese nipa na woni omu enkasa na se woni omu kan no me pese obubu hwese den potin no de ayewo an anope wuda we ye ho papa bisa ho se asemesi na matu mani asu no ho asem na ka no kra no just me be hu what they no kra ye no kra no e won pa ko kan no but wo have you seen it because the relationships differ. You never love no so. You never the type of people as I say unyomunanti. The type of people didn't know love. Your friends say love. A mama ni papa love. A papa ni mama papa ni oba. Ena any oba. Enuya ni nuya. Cousins first no say kasa family a. Family me ni embe two family. Emra me papa yeah you know. Me team ni no. Me mama encrofo, me papa encrofo. Omo nyina omo ka ho. And ebusiano until you have cousins, you have say until no say cousin ni be a few papa side, a few mama side. Now I think also cousin ni almost so much for. But say siano, the dictionary doesn't define it like that anymore. Dictionary didn't define it. I be mutu we bisa.
They cry the pakura define how this is we
Inti busumi ye be pom pai say rade mbie bie ye ni. Rade because love ya dear etimima religion.
I said this month here is the month of building a strong family. Yema odo pa no.
Yema odo.
Enye adwuma.
Inti ye be hwe ye chi because say odo no ka say Lucy ni meaning. Inti ye be srenya me na on chire yen. Odo mu odo aye dedo ena. Odo aye dedo eja. Odo aye dedo ye ma. Odo aye dedo onua. Odo aye dedo cousin. Odo aye dedo aso. Ni nyina ho. Eda e did church member odo ben na so de no obi a odi ne ye adwuma o colleague edo ben na so de no e different inti sa time ya ye wie fast na bi no so e ba be ye truthful to ourselves ye do no kremba ye ho o kwara obi ho a o kwara de no kra ko bom pa no twantro bi sa se mo de mentiase odipa na owosro na ohu bibia no wo sa ko twantro wo nim chese ndia wo de wasa kra but wo say Sakrawadri.
Bibi betumi asi. Ensachira betumi asi. Bibi papa betumi aba.
Bo di say na me said. Na me said that bia me ba unchan ya because eh we na ye ma me fum ye eh we na kan ya ansa na me so me be yourself.
Or justify ho nyame ani.
Justify because nyame no odim dada ansa na beba no odim dada. Nti o twa wo se wo beba. No, what declare after the my brain, we can't try riding my brain. Fetch me, I feel say your friend Israel. Udina said, say, ye shira. Udina said, say, me don't be bushia, we say, ye shira, me bushia, me don't call school, has sent school, and no so now be who are raddy. Me don't call Juma, we must say, ye shira, into a fed, me be shira, me do dini be shira. Amen. Me bomb pie say. Yemre ye wansi ni yenyi ferie eni suro efri abrabo mu na yen face nyame said yote afi getting into this month no so mema quotation ba ko men kan Revelation chapter 22 verse 1 and 2 also for the comment Revelation chapter 22 verse 1 and 2 and afi Isaiah chapter 26 and also verse 2 and 3 na yemfa embo we no tofa ne fa wura sumi fufro we mu e dem na ye today
Revelation chapter 22
verse
1 and 2
pacho
adisem itra eyaduनु emienu njem ba ko ne mienu na okire me enkwa ensuo esobonten a eni tie se ahwe a ifri onyankopon ene odwama no ahenwa no emu 2 ene kro no abontene emfimfini
ene kro no abontene emfimfini
asubonten no afa no nyina na enkwadua a eso aba ahodo dumienu esisie na esoso na ba ebosome biara
see a crowding fifi a subontin side and side.
Yeah,
it's a tree. A so abadumienu. It's every month biano. We have to a so busumi biara. Into January then as we will. South February year at the day in Ram. Ye more pious say near SSS so our brabo mono erade and so mammy.
Amen.
26 we Isaiah 26 no.
Isaiah 26
2 and 3. Or see, every month we have to believe God for a package. It's believe God for yourself. I don't know why I always stress on this. Serious in some doso. Abrabono dos. I said na otimi jawu de si baby. Na kodwi obi de ho. Na unshira emba wo so. Bono ma obi wa ho worry ya wo ye. Erade twen keke. Na wa ya de ba ko. Emre was school no near a friend and singing group be from Golden Bells. Say Reverend Elijah Safro Nicholas Odre Michiamuna na omoto akawa de crow. Esesa wo ye. Ansa na waso obofu ani. Akawa de crow. It is sad de crow ne say wo be deny wo ho na wo jai say wo lead fake life no fake. Wo ye fake dodo. Wo ye fake. Uko bie ni ba feel ade a wo ye manage ho so boa. Okuma mu de me say rade ba odida ketua ba. No betua obia kase de. Ni njuma tie. Betua obia kase ni njuma. Entwema ketua bi mbeduru wa. Entwema ketua.
Azi anwoma no etrade no ensia. Ejem mienu ene miensa ho.
Yeah, 2 and 3.
2 and 3. Ose munhini apono no na atene eman a okura gidi eno enhyeni mu yenhini pono na atene eman okura mu
February pono no hini na koji aduaba na eye odia for the month no koji oda fa wade fa bobu na fa trumika kofji bobu se medie nie me kita media na me kohwe obi die obi a hwe na diban mu na ataba ka so obi a de ni fiasem dos do die na obi so ndi ne die hwe wadwuma so na obi so hwe ne die so jai se opese obi die se so na wo dia ye
me to aso me se de na dwen etim wo so na wo be kura no asomdwie edimu wo be kura no asomdwie a edimu mu efrise wo so na ode ne ho ato
o se ya ye de ho to awurade so no
na me be kura na asomdwie mu
be kura asomdwie obebie busumi na maye obebie afina maye obebie fie na maye eko se ya time be so no obi antimi nko da you have to work as na wo do like that what say see no aka say awurade de o hye me bonyina afa de me hu awurade family some paye na be boma me ho na be boma obi biara o tie ye say ma obi antimi ngina bonim na on wini da ma obi antimi nko da ma obi ntina se don ka say aha ni nyame ne wo he on be chi no ntina me kan say ye din takedin enye ni odin ene be rasa
abusumi
say ye na krampo bu ye sere hwan
kra no
ye dia pachi
ye de betwa
ye dia na si ho na eso busumi bia
no
me say so busam abafa o te said yen obusam abo left and right one man nsema ato just say bebia o say I will comfort you on every side not just a side that you comfort no do so who here side e wo wawari who here side wo wawa ba who here side wo this who here side wo mem who here side wo inti endorse bon paye say erade fan dum yes erade en dum yes erade on dum yes na yenjinin this we be prona ma ya dwintina ne so e bo ya dwinjire erade so no na de ye de busumi mu ene due ene ye be due
first
and on the 1st of February
yes
sanka sa diane si ho no the diabana so every month for the 12 months of the year January dia etwem sabusumi we fire de maye
Jesus Christ. Amen.